I have just committed the perfect murder. You have 1 week to catch me, or I will vanish. And strike again 9 years from today. What you just heard is the opening line of a mystery that has confounded law enforcement for decades. This isn't just a book, it's a high-stakes puzzle handed to you by the world's best-selling author, James Patterson. And it's not just narrated, it's performed by Hollywood stars Shailene Woodley and Morena Baccarin. Today, we're talking about Game of Nines, an Audible original that will turn your commute into a pulse-pounding, edge-of-your-seat thriller. An animation of a chessboard with pieces moving rapidly, or a maze with a ticking clock in the center. The premise is brilliant and chilling. A serial killer has been playing a twisted game for decades. He commits a perfect murder, leaves a single clue, and gives the police exactly 1 week to solve it. If they fail, he disappears, only to resurface 9 years later to play again. This time, FBI agent Sarah Cole is invited to be a player in this deadly contest. It's like a mix of a classic locked-room mystery and a modern psychological thriller, but with a ticking clock that doesn't just threaten one life, it promises more death in the future. This isn't about brute force, it's a pure game of wits. And the suspense is relentless from the very first minute. On-screen text with the names James Patterson, Shailene Woodley, and Morena Baccarin appearing as if they're movie credits. Now, you might be thinking, it's a book, why not just read it? Because this is less of a book and more of a blockbuster movie for your ears. This isn't one person reading a story, it's a full cast performance. Imagine being in the middle of a tense interrogation scene, and you've got the voice of Shailene Woodley in your head. Or a chilling monologue delivered by Morena Baccarin that gives you goosebumps. The voice acting and sound design are what turn this mystery from a good story into a truly immersive experience. It's designed to be heard, not just read. Every whisper, every gasp, every tense pause is there to build a cinematic atmosphere that will have you hooked. Plot moves at a breakneck speed, just like the 1 week deadline our hero is facing. There are twists within twists, and just when you think you've figured out the killer's next move, the ground shifts beneath you. It's a game of chess where your opponent is a master, and the stakes are human lives. What I really love is how it explores the psyche of the killer and the immense pressure on the investigator. It's not just a whodunit. It's a how do you even begin to catch them that will have you guessing until the very end. The short, punchy chapters are classic Patterson, and they work perfectly in the audio format, making it impossible to stop listening. So who is this for? If you're a fan of thrillers that are more about cleverness than gore, if you love a good cat-and-mouse game, or if you simply want a binge-worthy story with a star-studded cast for your daily commute or next road trip, Game of Nines is a perfect choice. It's the kind of audio experience that makes you sit in your car in the driveway just to hear how the next chapter ends. Just like the killer's countdown, you've got to act fast to start this game. I've put the Amazon affiliate link for Game of Nines on Audible right in the description below. Click on it, grab your copy, and start listening. If you're a new Audible member, you might even get a free trial to listen to this for free. Don't wait. The game is on.